Hey guys, welcome to Tech NTT. If you want an free domain name and hosting, then watch this video till end. Firstly, go to any web browser and type www.freedomainy.com and press enter key. After the home screen appears, firstly log in the web page for user access. For that, click register at the top and fill all your basic details. If you don't want to give your original details, then go to www.tempmail.com and pick the mail address and paste it inside the mail column, and also type any random numbers in phone number option, and the remaining details fill any nation, country and postal code you want. Otherwise you copy my details. Not matter, at last you add an CAPTCHA code in given box. After filling all the details, click on register. After registration, check the domain availability. Then click on register. Please fill the caption given below. Then click search. As you can see, tech.in is not available because I already using this domain. After finding your domain, click add to cart. And also, if you want free hosting, then click on red highlighting text and select the plan you want. I choose WordPress hosting. If you don't know which one is better for me, then frankly select WordPress hosting. Then click on use the domain. And surprise, your bill is of $0.00. Then click continue. Check both the options DNS management and email forwarding, which is free for 1 year. And click continue. Then wait until the page is load. Then click checkout. After that, go down and click complete order. Here you see your order number, copy for future reference and click continue to client area. Then click on domain icon to see your domain status. As you can see, my domain status is in pending. So wait till the status is active. Also, you can change the information by clicking with selected option as manage name server, auto renewal status, registrar lock status, etc. It take at least 29 hours to active domain and hosting. For your safety, if you want extra services, then click your hosting. I select free WordPress hosting. Then select the plan you want. I recommend to select last option, more beneficial for you. Then click order. Now you're good to go. Please do like, share and subscribe if the video is helpful for you. Thank you so much and goodbye.